Hi guys, welcome to the CLN room. I'm Tony Alden, and today in this episode 4 we are going to fund a CLN Lightning node running on regtest. To do so, we are going to use the contrib startup regtest script provided by the Lightning repository to start one node on the Bitcoin chain regtest. And the important command of today's subcommand of Lightning CLI is new adder that creates a new address for the internal wallet of the Lightning node, and we are going to send to that address from the Bitcoin wallet. We are going to send with the command send to address one regtest Bitcoin, and at the end, we are going to, with the subcommand withdraw, to send back that coin to the Bitcoin wallet. So this is the plan. I hope you will enjoy the video and stay with me until the end. So let's go. So first, we want the command and aliases provided by that script. Now we use this provided command to start one node on regtest, and we won't detail much how does it work because we did it in the previous episode, so you can find them on lnroom.live with the transcript of the video. So let's get back. So now we have some aliases on the command, and normally we have Bitcoin running on regtest with one wallet called default. So let's look at Bitcoin CLI regtest, and we want to look at we want the information. Get info, so we are the information that we wanted. So we are running on a regtest. We are on one block. We have one wallet called default with a balance of 0. So this is for the Bitcoin part. Now let's have a look to this alias. So CLI. So this is an alias for Lightning CLI running on the directory temporary L1-regtest. So for that node that we started, we can get the information with some color with JQ, and we can see there that we have the ID, and we have no peers, we have the type of the connection, the address, and many other things that we don't need right now. So if we look, we've seen that the default wallet, the wallet name default in the Bitcoin regtest chain have 0 coins. So first we are going to provide it some code and use the subcommand get new address. I don't remember, it's get new address. So it's my cheat sheet that we seen at the beginning. So let's do that. So help. It's I always look at the help, and I think maybe it's helpful for you, the viewer. So get new address. We don't want everything, but just the first part. So get new address, return a new Bitcoin address for receiving payment. So let's do it, this new address, and we want it to be associated RPC wallet to the wallet name default. So we are going to get a new address for the address default. So now we have this address, and we can use it to first we are going to mine some blocks, and the coin created will be sent to that address, so to the wallet default. So to do that, we have the command, and we are going to look at it to generate new this is not generate so generate to address. So generate to address, and generate to address first argument is the number of block, and we have another mandatory argument that is address where we send the block, the coin created. So mine to specified address and return the block hashes. So let's do that. We have that, generate to address, and we passed the address we created just before. Okay, so normal, because we have to tell how many blocks we want to mine, and we don't want to see the results, so we send everything to dev null. So it will take a few seconds. So we can see that the next thing we are going to do is to use this subcommand get balance to get the balance of the wallet. So we will go back and get balance of the wallet default. So normally we should see more than 0 if we have mined enough. So here we can see we have 50 coin, if I'm not wrong. So we have enough coin to send to our Lightning node, to the wallet of the Lightning node, but first we have to create, to generate a new address. So first maybe we can use bcap here list balances to see that we have 0 in our wallet. So we have the internal wallet, and in the balance we have nothing, as we can see on that line. Okay, so we listed the balances, and now we are going to look at this one. This is new other. Okay, just one R. So this is the man page, and we can see the new other RPC command generate a new address which can subsequently be used to fund channel managed by the core Lightning node. So it can take a type of the address, but we are going to give it nothing. So if we don't specify, it will be bec32. So new address for that for our wallet, internal Lightning wallet. We have the address. We copy that address, and now we want to send from the default Bitcoin wallet 1 Bitcoin to that address. So the command, we got there, Bitcoin regtest APC wallet. Okay, so now we want to help, and we want to look at the send to address. I think send to address. Okay, so less, and we have this, and we can read at the top send to address, and we give it an address first and then the amount, and send an amount to a given address. So let's do that. we remove the help, here we go at the end, and we pass our previous address of the Lightning node. Sure that this is that one? I think this is the... Okay, so we have to pass the number of the amount, so we want to send one Bitcoin, regtest Bitcoin. So we send it. If we look at here, bcap here, so this is not the way to do bcap. Sorry, so we have this one. So if we list, we have still nothing because we the chain is not mining blocks because we are doing it manually. So now what we have to do is to mine blocks. So we do the same thing as before. We mine 100 blocks and we send the coin created to the address of the default wallet on Bitcoin. So normally with 100 it will be sufficient to see the coins appear on our Lightning wallet, and if it's not enough we are going to do it again. So now we can list there. It's not enough, so we do it again, and 2 times 100 mined block should be enough. And if we list the balance, now we see that in our Lightning node we have one regtest Bitcoin here. So this is we've done what we wanted to do in this video, which was to send to fund a CLN Lightning node running on regtest. So we did it, but as we have some time left, we can, so here is the cheat sheet, we can use the withdraw command, subcommand of Lightning CLI, to send back this coin to our default wallet. So L1 CLI help, and we want the help of withdraw. So we can read command for withdrawing fund from the internal wallet, and the withdraw RPC command send fund from the core Lightning internal wallet to the address specified in destination. So is here our destination, and the last argument is the amount that we want to send, and here if we pass the string all, can be used to specify withdrawal of all available funds. So this is what we are going to do. So help withdraw, and we need okay, so we need the address of, so we have the address here, so we are going to use it. So this is the address of our Bitcoin wallet default, and so is L1 CLI with draw, and we want to withdraw. I'm at the end of the line. We want to withdraw everything. So let's do that. So we have some information here about what we did. If we look at the balances, nothing happened because, as we said before, we are running manually the chain. So we have to mine the block to make it happen. So let's go back, and we are going to mine directly 200 block. And while this command is running, we can go back to LN room, and we can look at the last episode, just to see for the people that don't know how it is done, that you have the abstract and you have the word transcript with all the command with the output. And if we prefer to have just the terminal session, you have all the command we run, and also here just the terminal session without any comment. And at the end we have some more resources and link to the documentation of Lightning CLI, and this one from the bolts. So go back to our terminal. We should be good. Let's see if we send back our coin. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you get some value from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.